Welcome to our Ironfish 2018 Perth Market Update. Let's reflect on 2017 and then look at the likely trends of the Perth market in 2018. Western Australia's population grew by over 21,000 in the 12 months to June 2017, a 46% increase on the previous year and the largest annual percentage increase of the 5 capital city states. The WA economy retracted by 2.68%, however still contributed over $230 billion to the national economy. Interestingly, despite this decrease, jobs numbers were up by almost 50,000. This had a positive flow-on effect for Perth, where the unemployment rate dropped from 7.3% in March to sit at 6.3% in November. The supply and demand equation continues to adjust naturally to find a balance point, with new supply into the Perth property market continuing to decline, with building approvals down for houses by 14% and apartments by 24%. A key measure that indicates the Perth market has passed through the low point of its cycle is vacancy rates, which are dropping considerably. In 2017, they peaked in June at 5%, but had pulled back to 4.6% in December. This indicates that the excess supply in the market is being absorbed, and in time, it is anticipated this will lead to rental growth and strengthening yields. The Perth housing market experienced a contraction over the 12 months to October 2017. However, signs the market is starting to turn for the better are appearing. Counter-cyclical investors are now recognising Perth as an opportunity to get into a market at close to the bottom of its cycle, with developers reporting increasing numbers of interstate investors in projects from 12 months ago. The Perth apartment market experienced a decline in 2017. However, the lack of new supply into the market is helping to support the current market, and savvy investors are seeing opportunities to seize on quality apartments whilst buyer competition remains low. And like the housing market, there are also increasing numbers of interstate investors in the market now too. What to look out for in 2018? Maintaining a lower unemployment rate will be vital to the property market turning around. It was positive that it dropped to 6.3% in November. Perth's infrastructure pipeline will continue to support the local economy. Billion-dollar projects include the recently opened Perth Stadium, continued work at Elizabeth Quay, and the evolving Perth City Link project. And numbers of investors will increase, but still need to be selective with their purchasing decisions, ensuring the areas and property they are looking at have strong fundamentals. Perth's market has been shuffling sideways for many years, but market commentators are starting to look favourably on the Perth market. The supply-demand balance has now adjusted enough that we expect that 2018 will be the turnaround year for the Perth market, and astute investors will certainly take advantage of this. Thank you for watching, and we wish you a successful 2018.